Meeting up with friends is easier when you know where they'll be throughout the day. Studyo lets you securely connect with friends from your school. To get started, open the Friends tab. Select Invite a Friend if needed, then enter your friend's school email address. The invitation is sent through Studyo, not by email. Your friend will see a notification badge on the Friends tab and can choose to accept or ignore your invitation. If they ignore it, you won't be able to invite them again. If you both decide to connect later, they'll simply need to send you an invitation instead. Once you're connected, you can see each friend's location based on their schedule, whenever it's known. Select a friend's name to view their schedule for the day and their latest achieved badge. Need a little privacy? You can pause any friendship at any time. While it's paused, your locations and badges are no longer shared until you decide to resume the friendship.